today in front of me Xiaomi Pad 5, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which device comes in the box by default. So here the first paperwork is with the quick device guide and with the warranty card. And the first accessory that was our Xiaomi Pad, the warranty card, the paperwork, the quick guide, and here in the second box, here we got the Xiaomi original charger brick with all of the specs, and also we got here the USB-C cable. So that's it. There are all of the box accessories with which device comes. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.